My name is Leah Campbell and I am a human resource. So the position combined with, once I had my interview, the company culture here and the team that I got to meet was really, I felt a good fit for me at the time. So my daily job tasks as the administrator are more of your paperwork, payroll type things. I do a lot of the invoicing for HR, so a lot of our benefits, all of the payroll, timekeeping. I maintain the employee files, as well as our online HRIS system, all the employees' information that we keep online as well as in their folders and things like that.
My name is Brandon Krieger, K-R-E-I-G-E-R. I am the lead CNC operator for Cardinal Systems. I had an interest in learning programming primarily, and Cardinal Systems provided that up. So what I do is we get sheets that come in and they are sized from 1 feet all the way up to 10 feet. My job is to shape those sheets before they get bent. I'm in the steel department. So we punch out our sheet, and it's basically a glorified hole puncher. We shape the sheet, and then it gets bent, and then we skid it all up to be shipped. To work with is known as a CNC tool and die machine. It's basically a glorified hole puncher. There's always new challenges. Every day, whether you need to fix a program or you're getting a new product from R&D, like right now, I'm running a brand new thing that we've never run before. New materials, always something changing.
Every project is different. We do a lot of custom work, so every time you open up a project and you start working, you're working on something completely new. So it's very interesting.